In a world where money has no ceiling, some cars don't just break records, they erase them. We're talking about machines worth more than private jets. Cars so rare, you'll never see them twice in your lifetime. From one-off masterpieces to multi-million-dollar hypercars, this is the ultimate countdown of the top 10 most expensive cars in the world, 2026. Number 10. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. At number 10, art meets engineering. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC isn't built. It's handcrafted like a luxury watch. Every bolt, every stitch, every curve is obsessively detailed. Step inside, and you're surrounded by exposed carbon fiber, polished metal, and analog dials that look like they belong in a Swiss timepiece. Powering it is a twin-turbo V12 producing nearly 800 horsepower, launching this lightweight machine with brutal force. Only 40 units exist. This isn't a car, it's a collector's obsession. $3.5 million. Number 9. Lamborghini Veneno. This doesn't look street legal, because it barely feels like it should be. The Lamborghini Veneno, originally priced at $4.5 million, now sells for well over $8 million in private auctions. Inspired by fighter jets, every angle is extreme, every vent functional. It's aggressive to the point of intimidation. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated V12, screaming its way to over 220 miles per hour. Only 14 units were ever made. Owning one means owning a piece of Lamborghini's wildest experiment. $4.5+ million. Number 8. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Imagine carbon fiber, infused with diamonds. The Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita features a patented diamond weave carbon fiber body that literally sparkles in sunlight. It's not paint. It's not a wrap. It's engineering turned into jewelry. With over 1,000 horsepower, it's brutally fast, but that's not even the headline. Only 2 cars were ever built. This isn't rare, it's almost mythical. $4.8 million. Number 7. Bugatti Mistral. The end of an era. The Bugatti Mistral is the final road-going Bugatti to ever use the legendary W16 engine. That alone makes it historic. With 1,600 horsepower, it's not just fast, it's a farewell performance to one of the greatest engines ever created. Just 99 units exist, and every single one was sold out instantly. This isn't just a car. It's Bugatti's last roar. $5 million. Number 6. Bugatti Divo. Same DNA as the Chiron, but completely reimagined. The Bugatti Divo sacrifices top speed for something far more thrilling, cornering dominance. It's lighter, sharper, and more aggressive, built for drivers who care about curves, not just straight lines. Underneath, that quad-turbo W16 still delivers insane power, but the experience is entirely different. Only 40 units were produced, and every single one was pre-sold before launch. $5.8 million. Number 5. Bugatti Centodieci. A tribute, with a $9 million price tag. The Bugatti Centodieci honors the legendary EB110, but with modern hypercar brutality. It produces 1,600 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Its design blends retro inspiration with futuristic aggression, making it one of Bugatti's most striking creations ever. Only 10 units exist. Miss it once, and it's gone forever. $9 million. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Swept Tail. Now we enter a different world. The Rolls-Royce Swept Tail isn't about speed, it's about personal vision. Commissioned by a single client, it took years to design and build. The exterior flows like a luxury yacht, while the interior features handcrafted wood, glass, and bespoke details you won't find anywhere else on Earth. There's only one. Because true luxury doesn't repeat itself. $12.8 million. Number 3.
Bugatti La Voiture Noire.
One car, one owner, one statement. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire is a tribute to the lost Type 57 SC Atlantic. Its body is seamless, like liquid black metal sculpted into motion. Underneath, it hides a 1,500 horsepower W16 engine, combining elegance with raw power. No copies.
No variants.
Just one of the most mysterious cars ever built. $18.7 million. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. At $28 million, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail isn't just expensive, it's an experience. Inspired by luxury yachts, its rear opens into a bespoke hosting suite, complete with champagne coolers, custom cutlery, and even a parasol. Everything is tailored to the owner, from materials to color tones. Only 3 units were made. This isn't transportation. It's rolling luxury at its absolute peak. $28 million. Number 1. Rolls-Royce La Voiture Noire Droptail. And finally, the most expensive car in the world. The Rolls-Royce La Voiture Noire Droptail redefines what a car can be. Inspired by the black Baccarat Rose, its design features intricate handcrafted detailing that took years to perfect. The interior alone contains thousands of precisely arranged wooden elements, forming an artistic masterpiece. Only 4 Droptail commissions will ever exist, and each one is completely unique. At this level, you're not buying a car. You're buying legacy. $30+ million. From diamond-infused carbon fiber to one-off creations worth tens of millions. These machines aren't built for roads, they're built for history. They represent the absolute peak of design, engineering, and exclusivity. Because when money is no limit, the result isn't just a car. It's a masterpiece on wheels. Subscribe to Drive Stats for more cinematic deep dives into the world's most insane cars. And tell me, which one of these would you choose if money wasn't a limit?